Hi, Jack. Guys, if you want my IG, just send 500 beans. 500 beans only. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Kiasun. I'm from Quezon, Philippines. Thank you, Sintonado. What's your name? I don't... Thank you. Guys, ipa 1K nyo na ako. Hi, King. King lang nakita ko. Pa 1K nyo na ako, guys. Please. Thank you, Louise. Thank you so much. Okay. I will give my IG to you. Just follow, just chat me. Message me. Thank you. Thank you, Louise. Happy always, hi. Guys, send 500 again. I will give my IG, don't worry. I will give my IG if you send 500. Bin? Hello, you sound like just like them. What do you mean, just like them? Mag-send muna kayo ng 500 beans. I will give. Wait lang, Luvius. I will give my ID. Luvius. Why just send 500 beans? Hi, Plopo. Plopo? Hi. 500 tap-tap. Ay, ayoko niyan. Ayoko niyan. Ano na lang. Thank you, girls. Gusto ko, 500 beans. Hi, Jeff. I don't want to be unfair sa mga nagbigay ng 500 beans. I'm from Philippines.